is the Chelsea Sugar Factory in Auckland. We've come for the morning on a Sunday, a beautiful day. We booked in for the mini tour as they don't do the factory tours on the weekend. Hi, I'm Emily and I run Emily in NZ, posting about living, working and exploring this beautiful country that is New Zealand. Hit subscribe because I update every Friday. Let's go check it out. Chelsea Sugar Factory is known for this orangey pink building in the Auckland Harbour. Operating since 1884, it's New Zealand's only sugar refinery. We booked online for a 10:30 slot, so we're straight through to our tour. Now we're on that cool pink tractor that we just saw in the opening credits. Wow, that is all raw sugar and it smells amazing in here. They're due for a delivery off the boat in a few days, so it's quite cool that we got to drive around the shed. The Chelsea Sugar branding is famous in New Zealand and it is named after Chelsea in London, which is where the first custom officer was originally from. Now we've finished the tour, we went to the interactive section around the back of the cafe. This is actually completely free of charge and you can just come and spend some time here. Now this was so cool. Each item, you put it against an RFID tag and you baked a cake. You followed instructions on the screen and the kids could go get the ingredient and be interactive at each step. This was my favourite. Whilst the cake was in the oven, they cleaned up. And now to decorate the cake. In the shop there was plenty of sugar products to buy, but when you got to the cafe, oh wow! What a beautiful restaurant, and the food was stunning. Playground out the front is a great place to run the kids around. Now did you know the sugar factory was here before the Auckland Harbour Bridge? So the harbour bridge needed to be that height so they could get the ships through to the sugar factory. The sugar factory owns a lot of land around the area and have put some awesome boardwalks in, so before you leave it's worth a walk around. Wow, I could highly recommend that. It's not a full day activity, but it's definitely something to do for the day, and the food was amazing. Really easy to get to. It was a stunning day today. So I'd suggest if you're in Auckland and you're looking for something different to do, check out the Chelsea Bay Factory. Thank you for watching. I post every Friday about living, working and exploring this beautiful country that is New Zealand. So hit subscribe. In the meantime, check out one of these videos and I'll see you in my next video.